Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing versus apparently Silent Great. So that's a thing that's happening because people still play Silent Great apparently. Um so now he can't search for the pure spell. So it should stop the combo unless he opened with it, which would suck, but you know. It is what it is at that point. There's not really much you could do. I highly doubt that he opened with it. Although it is possible. We'll see. Also, it stopped, what's it call it, from triggering. Oh, didn't the Exceed get banned or something? I heard that. Am I going nuts or what? Didn't I thought Altergeist kind of like fell off the face of the earth at this point. He's not gonna be able to establish a normal Altergeist board. Because I thought the Ring 3 guy was banned. Uh, Once per turn, you can detach one exceed material from this card. Oh, they all level 5s, huh? Graveyard. Target one fire monster in your graveyard. Add that target to your hand. Uh, Wait. You can't. Because you have to target in the time. I apologize for that. Also, I apologize for the. I kept pausing my video and then it kept starting up again. I don't know why it kept doing that. I kind of bricked the hand, but it's fine. That's actually a pretty good deal considering that I trolled him. I actually forgot he had a set. I'm trying to make him waste resources. Wow. Seriously, you're gonna war it? Okay. Wow. Also, wow, he opened with the war, of course. Yeah, that figures. It's my luck. It's fine because I was just trying to get it off my field to evenly match. I'm hoping that he can't pull off 4K damage. Although I think he can. True. Drew, I drew well. I'm definitely well. It's just he got extremely lucky with that war. I know this game is about math, but war is typically a one of. So the odds of opening with it in your opening hand is insane. I'm pretty sure that's the said game. I'll just cut. I'll Ash the Buffalo. I'm hoping that he can't. I'm hoping that he can't do the 4K damage. Oh wait, it's that's game. Fucking bullshit. It's fucking bullshit. This fucker opened up with the one war. Seriously? Thank you. Thank you. Jeez. I don't know why I said like that. Man, what the hell? 59 card deck. Okay. That's weird, but okay. Scum, thinking. Wait. I like playing so many multi-figures. Because multi-figure is such a great card. Also, I love playing on my opponent's turn. And then I'm gonna just say, I just why not? Now go. Thinking. I will bounce this back. I'm hoping that he just didn't open up with another button. So. Hmm. So. Cards in hand are not public knowledge. Even if they were on field, I have no obligation to tell him or show him. I sure wish I had a longer way to record. 15 minutes really isn't long enough. That's funny. Um, oh, oh. Bounces it not set, But how am I talking? Because I don't show you the card in my hand? I don't have to. I'm not fucking wolf shocking. I thought you were gonna use the effect. Now that I know what that is. Um, I can just keep doing that over and over again, making it impossible for him to get that thing's effect off. Summon Link Kuribo. Geek. Such. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing off. Bye. Oh, right. My bad. Wait, I couldn't do that. Shoot.